Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Oil and Gas YouTube channel, and this is our second lecture of most basic series. In this lecture we are going to discuss a very important point which is very necessary to remember while we are understanding the flow of fluid. So let's start it. The point is, the greater will be the pressure difference, will greater be the flow rate of fluid. I'm going to explain this point. In this point, it is told that the flow rate of fluid will be greater if the pressure difference between 2 points is greater. Pressure difference is the parameter which is controlling the flow of fluid. It is already discussed in the previous lecture. So, if the value of pressure difference is greater, then the flow rate of fluid between 2 points will be greater. So this point is quite essential to remember while understanding the flow behavior of fluid. So we will discuss in detail further, but let's move towards the example. Here I mentioned one example that in which of the following system the gas will flow at faster rate. System number 1. In system number 1, there are two cylinders. The two cylinders are again connected with a pipe which allows the flow of gas. Okay. The cylinder number 1 is at 50 psi. The cylinder number 2 is at 20 psi. In system number 2, we again have two cylinders. The two cylinders are again connected with a pipe or something. In this cylinder, we again, the first cylinder is at higher pressure, that is 100 psi. The second cylinder is at lower pressure, that is 40 psi. In both scenarios, the one thing which is clear is that the gas will always flow from higher pressure to a lower pressure region. So in scenario number 1, the gas will flow from this cylinder to this one, whereas in second system the gas will flow from this cylinder to this one. But in this numerical we are concerned with the flow rate of the gas. So we are required to determine that in which condition the gas will experience a greater flow rate. And I already told you that the flow rate of gas is a function of pressure difference. So let's calculate pressure difference in scenario number 1. We know that this is higher pressure and this is the lower one. So if I calculate the pressure difference in scenario number 1, it will become 50 minus 20 and the value is 30 psi. So the pressure difference in scenario number 1 is 30 psi. In scenario number 2, this is the cylinder which is at higher pressure. So the pressure difference will be 100 minus 40. The pressure difference is 60 psi. So we can see that in system number 1 we have pressure difference of 30 psi, and in system number 2 we have pressure difference of 60 psi. So the speed of gas will be greater in system number 2, which means that the gas will flow at greater rate, at faster rate in system number 2. Okay. So this is the point which is necessary to understand, that the flow rate of the gas is directly proportional to the pressure difference. The greater will be the pressure difference, will definitely greater be the flow rate of the gas. Here I have one more example. This example will give us some more learning. In this example, it is asked that what is the flow direction of gas in given cylinders. Again, we have two cylinders. The first cylinder is at 100 psi and it is connected with a second cylinder, and this cylinder is also at 100 psi. Since we can see that both cylinders are at same pressures, so let me calculate the pressure difference. Pressure of this cylinder is 100. Pressure of this cylinder is also 100. So 100 minus 100 is 0 psi. Here we can see that the pressure difference is 0. So we know that it is necessary to have a pressure difference if we want to flow a fluid. But in this scenario, there is no pressure difference, so there will be the no flow of gas. So we can write, since delta P means pressure difference is equals to 0, therefore there will be no flow of gas. So this is the point which is necessary to understand, and the point is the gas flow rate or the liquid flow rate, or simply in general way I can say the flow rate of the fluid is dependent on the pressure difference, and the greater will be the pressure difference, will greater be the flow rate of gas. The greater will be the pressure difference, will greater be the flow rate of gas or liquid, or simply I can say fluid. So these 2 points are necessary to understand that I have mentioned in this lecture. Okay, thank you.